Alright, so welcome once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Trust TVC, and in this video, I'll be showing you 10 applications you must know and you must have as a graphic designer. So if you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any interesting videos like this, YouTube will notify you. So the first app you must have in your phone as a graphic designer is Remini app. So this is Remini app. Okay, Remini app is an application you use to upscale your image quality before using it for your flyer designs. So imagine if a client sends you a blurry picture. This is an application you use to enhance the quality and the resolution of your picture before using it for your flyer design. Now let me show you how this Remini app works. This is your Remini app. Let me open it and show you how it works. So if you open your Remini app, this is how the interface looks like. So you wait for it to load. Okay, this is how Remini app looks like. So if you want to enhance the quality of a particular image, you click on this image icon and then select the image you want to enhance. Now let me open my gallery and choose an image. So for instance, I want to enhance this particular image here. So I'll click on the image and then wait for it to open. So once the image opens like this, I'll click on enhance. So yeah, this is what we've gotten. Now you can see the before and you can see the after. Very nice and sharp. So after this, you just you can background blur, you can disable it, color, you can disable it, or you can just use my settings like this. Then after that, you click on this download button here, and then you download the image to your gallery. You click on save, and that is all. So the second application you need to know as a graphic designer, or the second application you need to have as a graphic designer is Lightroom. So this is Lightroom. Now let me open my Lightroom app. So Lightroom is an application used to edit pictures. There are many features in Lightroom which I bet you didn't know. There are many features in Lightroom. So you can use Lightroom to enhance, sorry, not enhance, you can use Lightroom to edit your images, and then you can also use it to increase the quality of your flyer, like pop up your flyer designs before posting online or before sending them to your clients. Now this was a design I delivered recently. After designing it, I have to use Lightroom to pop the flyer before sending it out. So this was the settings I used. You can take the amount, the sharpening 107 details plus 42, and then effects plus 16 and all that. So I use Lightroom to pop this flyer before posting it online and before sending it to my clients. But aside that, you can use Lightroom to edit your images. Now this is an image I edited with Lightroom. This is the before. You can see the before, and this is the after. So that is what Lightroom is used for. It's used to edit images and enhance flyers, and that is it. So now let me take you to the third app you need to know and you need to have as a graphic designer. Now the third app is Snapseed. So Snapseed and Lightroom, they almost do the same thing, but I prefer using Lightroom. I prefer Lightroom to Snapseed. But let me also show you what Snapseed is used for. It's also used for editing pictures, also editing flyers before posting online. Now let me import an image. So check out this image. So if you want to enhance, if you want to edit this image with Snapseed, there are many tools here on Snapseed, but you can just use this detail, increase the structure, then you can come over to sharpening and then increase it as well. So but I prefer using Lightroom. I prefer Lightroom to Snapseed, but both of them works together. So the fourth app you need to know and you need to have as a graphic designer is Photoroom. So Photoroom helps you to remove the background of images and also to remove the background of multiple images at a time, even without losing its quality. So this is how my Photoroom looks like. So this is how Photoroom app looks like. If you open Photoroom, you can click on create to remove the background of just one image. You can click on batch to remove the background of multiple images, maybe 10 or 20 images at a time. So let me show you how it looks like. Just click on start from photo and then select an image. This is an image you want to select, so just wait for it to load. Yeah, this is it. Then click on transparent, and that is it. The background is off. Click on export and then click on save to gallery. So that is that for photo. So let me show you the fifth app. So the fifth app you must have as a graphic designer is PixArt. So there are many features on PixArt. There are many things you can use PixArt for, but I use PixArt to add light effects to my designs, and I also use it to add rainbow effects to my design. So let me import one of my design. So this here is one of my design. So if I want to add light effects to this particular design, I'll just, after importing the flyer, I'll go to add photo. Then I'll open my gallery. I'll open my gallery and then I'll select the light effect I want to add. So this is it. I'll open it and then I'll click on add. So after that, you scroll until you see blend and then you select screen. So this is it. So you can add this light effect to your design. So this is just one of the things you can do with PixArt. So there are many other things you can do with PixArt though, but this is just one of it. So let me show you another application. So the sixth app you must have as a graphic designer is Pinterest. So you all know what Pinterest is used for. Pinterest is used to get background for your design. Though this is not the only app you can get background from, but this is one of the applications you can use to get background and then also get design ideas and inspiration. So these are backgrounds already on Pinterest. So you can see here by yourself, there are many backgrounds on Pinterest, and you can also get inspirations here. These are flyer designs done by others. You can also have an account on Pinterest and also be posting your works. Oh, I love this flyer. I love this flyer. I think I'll save it. So there are many things. There are many flyers, many backgrounds, many ideas, and many resources on Pinterest. So just choose. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. So that is that for Pinterest. So let me show you another app. So the seventh application you must have and you must know as a graphic designer is Instagram. I'm not talking about Instagram Lite. I'm talking about the main Instagram app. So I use Instagram as my portfolio. So you can check my Instagram handle. I use Instagram as my portfolio. So, but I don't post with Instagram Lite. I only post with normal Instagram. So this is my Instagram handle. I just use it for my portfolio and then post my work. So whenever a client message me for any design, I always send them my Instagram handle, and they go through it, and that is it. So I love Instagram very well. I love Instagram. This is how my Instagram handle looks like. So that is that. So if you don't have Instagram, there are many other platforms to use as portfolio, but I prefer Instagram. Yeah, I prefer Instagram. So if you don't have Instagram, you can go ahead, download it, and then use it as your portfolio. So the eighth application you must have as a graphic designer is Facebook. I'm not talking about Facebook Lite. I'm talking about normal Facebook. So if you're a graphic designer and you post your designs online with Facebook Lite, you are very wrong. Like, you are very, very wrong. So that's why most persons are complaining about reduction in design quality whenever they post their designs online. And I noticed that some persons post their designs online using Facebook Lite, which is very wrong. So if you don't have normal Facebook in your phone, go ahead and download the normal Facebook and always post your designs with normal Facebook. Never post your design with Facebook Lite. So normally I don't use this normal Facebook. I only use it to post, and then I use my Facebook Lite to chat and some other stuff. So go ahead and download normal Facebook now and thank me later. So the ninth application you must have in your phone as a graphic designer is ChatGPT. So we all know what ChatGPT is, and we all know the features in ChatGPT. So there are many features in ChatGPT which you didn't know, or we all didn't know about. But there are many features in ChatGPT. So instead of using Google, you can use ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT questions and they answer you. You can also use it to generate images and many features on ChatGPT. So go ahead and download ChatGPT. Now, this is the 10th application. This is the 10th. I bet you didn't see this coming. This is the 10th application. The 10th application is Google Translate. Google Translate. So there is this foreign client I work for. I always design for him in French language. So whenever he sends me the design brief or the design details, I always come to Google Translate and then translate what he sent to me to English. I'll first of all translate it to English so that at least I'll know the kind of flyer I'm working for, like the kind of flyer I'm going to work for him. So whenever he sends the design, I'll be confused because normally I don't speak French. So I come over to Google Translate it to English, and then I'll be viewing the design in English and I'll be working on the design in French. So that will give me a clearer. I don't know how to put it, but that will make the work very easy for me. So if you don't have Google Translate in your phone, go ahead and download it. Go ahead and download Google Translate. So this is the 10th app you need to have and you need to know as a graphic designer. So go ahead and download all these apps in your phone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next one.